Good day everyone! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Tagaytay area to film a income generating property along the 2-lane road with expansion. So a property na i-showcase natin with a total lot area of 450 square meters. 250 square meters in total lot area. So it has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath with fruit trees. Of course, ang diretsyo nito ay balay dako at lahat ng mga restaurants within the area. Magallanes Drive. So the property na i-showcase natin is selling in the market for 15 million pesos. It's a Torrens title. So maganda to because it's accessible. Advantage nito, yung access ng property ang pinaka highest and the best use. So if you are interested or anyone interested, message us today on the numbers visible on the screen. But before we check out the property, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button. Share our video sa inyong friends out there, sa inyong millions of friends out there na still hoping for the best property. Now, follow me guys, and we'll check out together this bungalow 3-bedroom property with a jacuzzi doon sa likod. Okay, so let's go inside. Okay, so let's go, Benji. So, okay, right here you have the porch. Okay, so since accessible ka from the road, so later on, you have that frontage na magiging access, no? Can be a restaurant, coffee shop, or a drugstore, or like a cake shop or bake shop, etc. No? Depende sa inyo pong preference and inyong expertise. But the property, talaga namang dikit siya sa 2-lane road with widening later on. So, which means, magiging accessible. Now, since this is a bungalow, perfect also para or ideal sa ating mga granny as retirement property or investment capital asset. Depende. Of course, over here you have the green area. You have a, like avocado tree, then a mango tree, then all the way doon sa likod. No, it's enclosed to the fence. Then dito sa side na to, you have additional space for your sitting area. So right now, ginagamit nila as outlet for the Airbnb. Take note, maganda ang interior nito. Okay, let's go, Benji. So right over here, alright, guys, this is the living space. And right now, you have nice lights fixtures. And of course, you have the balcony doon sa likod. Okay, medyo dim lang yung surroundings natin kasi palubog na yung araw. And then right here, you have the access sa inyong kitchen. Excuse lang muna. You have this nice kitchen area. Of course, over here, you have the space for the balcony. Guys, imagine, dikit talaga siya sa 2-lane road. Kaya the frontage is very good. Now, right here, this is the garden area. No, bear with me kasi mabagyo ngayon. So at least, just to imagine, relax and imagine. So you have green over here. Alright. So imagine a 450 square meters in total lot size. Now, back dito po sa living space, you have a monitor, you have the main door, then you have an elevator over here, a shower room, the first, second, and third bedroom. I think we have to check out for the master bedroom. Which way?
Yeah.
I think right here, guys, this is the first room. Alright, so you have a first bedroom. So you have a cabinet and storage. Alright, now shout out po sa lahat ng ating mga buyers over there na still hoping for the best property. Well, tiyagaan nyo lang, mayroong magandang property na darating sa inyo. Basta po, lagi lang kayo active. Okay? Hindi kami mapapagod kasama si Benji. No?
Yeah.
Nandito kami lagi, guys.
Nandito kami para sa inyo, guys.
You have a shower room, which is here. Okay, check this out. Right. So you have a wash area, water closet, and a shower space with enclosure. Malamig ngayon. Malamig. Then you have a bed over here and air conditioning in it. Okay. Pero ang pinakamaganda dito, guys, the location talaga, Location. Kasi madalang lang tayo nakakaroon ng mga properties na dikit sa 2-lane road. Then this is the master room. Okay, so you have bed. Okay, wood parquet finish. Then you have a air conditioning unit right here. Of course, you have a shower room. Now, very spacious area. The shower area. Check this out. Yan. Okay, minimalist. But you know, the interior, makikita mo may bahid siya ng kagandahan, di ba?
Yeah.
Mayroon siyang nakaraang, you know, enhancement, no? Kasi ang ganda ng mga fixtures, no? Of course, you have a shower over here with the water heater, water closet with the glass enclosure, and with bidet. Of course. See? Bakit ang mata ko dito ang cute? Diba? Ang cute ng mata ko dito eh. Alright, I think we're done, no? Okay, so we'll stay doon sa pinaka-living area to give you the recap of this property for sale. Okay, let's go, Benji. Alright guys, no, before we end our house tour, is a potential property na may lot area of 450 square meters, 200 square meters total floor area. It's a bungalow, guys. Lawrence title, dikit sa the 2-lane road, no? May mga potential bake shop, coffee shop kasi ang lot area is 450 square meters. So if you are interested or anyone interested, message us today. So this one is selling in the market for 15 million pesos. I believe it's negotiable. If you are interested, message us now. So once again, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless everyone.